Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Little Red Riding Hood.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl who lived in a village near the forest. Whenever she went out, she wore a red riding cloak with a hood, and that is why everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. One day, her mother baked some cakes, and when they were ready, she said to Little Red Riding Hood, "My dear, would you go to see your grandmother and take her these cakes that I have made?" Little Red Riding Hood was always happy to see her grandmother and agreed to go on the journey. When the basket was packed, the little girl put on her red cloak and kissed her mother goodbye. "Now go straight to your grandmother's cottage," her mother said. "Don't waste time along the way. And please don't talk to strangers. Remember, the woods are dangerous." "Don't worry, Mummy," said Little Red Riding Hood. "I'll be very careful." So off she went on her journey to visit her grandmother in the forest. "Oh, Grandmother, I was so scared," sobbed Little Red Riding Hood.
Dati sabay pa nating pinangarap ang lahat. Umaawit pa sa hangin at amoy araw ang balat. Naaalala ko pa noon, nag-aagawan ng Nintendo. Kay sarap namang mabalikan ang ating kwento.
Lagi-lagi sa amin ang dumidiretso pag-uwi. Maglalaro ng tao-tao, piso-pisong nabili. Umakawit ang Simpsons, nasabay kinagasa. Kay sarap namang mabalikan ng alaala.
Ikawan kasama buhat noon. Ikaw ang pangarap hanggang ngayon. Di ba't ikaw nga yung reyna at ako ang iyong hari?
Ako yung prinsesa, naging mo palagi. Ngunit ngayon'y marami nang nabago't nangyari.
Hindi ang pagtingin, pinagaya pa rin ang narata dati, narata dati, narata dati, nagaya pa rin ang tirahi ay palaging sabay na mag-fiesta.
Sabay ring gigising, alas 4:30.
Sabay manonood ng paboritong programa.
O kay tamis namang mabalikan ng alaala.
Di ba't ikaw nga yung reyna at ako ang iyong hari?
Ako yung prinsesa, naging mo palagi.
ay naglalaro pa ng bahay-bahayan, gamit-gamit ang mantel na tinatali sa kawayan, at pawang magkakalaban pag nagtataya-tayaan, pero sing-tamis ng candy pag nagkakasal-kasalan. Di ba dati ay nagkukunwaring Marvin at Jelena, minsan ay tambalang Maylene at Bojo Molina. Ang sarap siguro balikan ng mga ala-ala, lalo na kung magkayakap mga batik magkasama at
Parang Julio at Julia, lagi tayong magkasama.
wala